1,000 subscribers. That's the number every new YouTuber waits for, because without it, your channel can't get monetized, and honestly, it becomes harder to stay motivated to keep making videos. But here's the reality. Around 90% of new YouTubers never even reach 1,000 subscribers. Some stop at 50, some reach 100, some make it to 200. And then their channel completely stops growing. Even after putting in so much effort, the subscriber count gets stuck in one place. Now here's something important. Everything I'm about to share in this video is something I personally tested on another channel. And using these exact strategies, I gained over 20,000 subscribers in just 1 week. So today, I'm going to explain the 3 biggest mistakes that stop small YouTubers from growing. If your channel feels stuck or you've been struggling to gain subscribers, apply these lessons carefully as I grow, because they can completely change your growth. Number 1, the most dangerous trap for small YouTubers: buying subscribers. Everywhere online, you'll see offers like 1,000 subscribers for $500. Guaranteed growth, instant monetization, and for a moment it feels like you found a shortcut, but in reality it's slow poison for your channel. Why? Because the subscribers you buy are usually fake. They're either bots or random accounts that have zero interest in your content. That means they don't watch your videos, they don't like, they don't comment, and the result is simple: zero engagement. Then YouTube starts thinking your content is boring. Imagine this: your channel has 500 subscribers, but your videos only get 20 or 30 views. That immediately looks suspicious to the algorithm. And YouTube's system is smarter than most people think. Most of the time, it can detect fake subscribers and fake engagement very quickly. Some channels even get shadow banned afterward. That means you keep uploading videos, but YouTube stops recommending them to real people. So let me make this simple. Buying subscribers and views is not a shortcut to growth. It's a shortcut to killing your channel. Number 2, the second biggest mistake new YouTubers make is not choosing a clear niche. YouTube works in a very simple way. If you upload gaming videos today, cooking videos tomorrow, and tech videos the next day, YouTube gets confused about your audience. And not just YouTube, your viewers get confused too. Think about it. Someone subscribes because they enjoyed your gaming content, but the next day you upload a cooking video. Yeah, why would they click on it if they're not interested in cooking? And when subscribers stop clicking, YouTube assumes your content is weak. Your click-through rate drops, your watch time drops, your retention drops, and eventually your videos stop getting pushed. That's why constantly changing topics destroys growth. Now, that doesn't mean you can never experiment. Your niche can still be broad. For example, making money online is a broad niche. Inside that niche, you can talk about freelancing, digital marketing, and here's another important thing. You are also part of the niche. People don't only follow topics. They follow personalities, presentation styles, and unique perspectives. So if your audience connects with you strongly enough, they'll slowly start watching different types of content from you too. That's why you should test content, study your audience carefully, and once you find a pattern that works, double down on it until it becomes your identity. Number 3, before I explain the final mistake, subscribe to the channel and comment below what problem you're facing with your YouTube journey. I might make a video about it next. Now here's the third mistake that quietly damages many small channels: watching your own videos repeatedly after uploading them. A lot of new YouTubers keep replaying their own videos to check whether everything looks fine, but doing this too much can hurt your analytics, especially if you constantly refresh, replay, or artificially increase watch time from the same account. Instead, once you upload a video, let real viewers interact with it naturally. Focus on improving your thumbnails, titles, storytelling, and retention, not fake engagement from yourself, because real audience behavior is what actually helps channels grow. And those were the 3 biggest mistakes stopping your subscribers from growing. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel and comment below with the biggest problem you're facing on YouTube right now.